Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you fix Sweet Wallet login issues. So first of all, you have to open up your device settings. Now, simply search for app settings. Once you open up your app settings, what you have to do is that you simply have to search for Sweet Wallet. Now over here, you very simply have to click on the option that says Storage and Cache. Now, click on the option that says Clear Cache. After that, click on Clear Storage. Then, you have to reinstall this application from the Play Store and you will be able to easily solve this issue on your device. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.